quality assurance in publications and documentations in aviation. We will be tackling about the following. So let's move on with the next slide. The overview of technical records, repetitive records, continuous records, routine records, permanent records, and lastly, the aircraft logbook. So let's move on with the overview. Overview of technical records serve as a complete and chronological documentation of an aircraft's maintenance history. So basically, this is the foundation of aviation's legal records of whatever goes on inside the field. They are legal documents required to demonstrate airworthiness, facilitate audits, and support resale and inspections. They must be accurate, complete, and securely stored. So let's move on with the continuous records. Log continuously throughout aircraft operation. Includes daily inspections, oil servicing, fluid levels, and minor repairs. This supports real-time monitoring and trend analysis. It's crucial for reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM for short. So in simpler terms, these are the records that just keeps getting updated each time an inspection or a maintenance routine happens in an aircraft. Let's move on with the flight hours. Flight hours and cycles documents operational data per flight to track airframe, engine, and component usage. With the component tracking, this logs life-limited parts, overhaul schedules, changes items, and components for safety critical items. Now, with the mandatory directive compliance, it verifies ongoing compliances with the airworthy directives and service bulletins to sustain airworthiness throughout its service life. Let us now move on with the routine records, which will be tackled by the next reporter, Mr. Fajardo.
So, routine records. Scheduled tasks based on manufacturer's maintenance schedule. These are maintenance activities that are planned in advance and carried out at specific time intervals or usage limits, such as flight hours or number of landings, as recommended by aircraft manufacturer. Includes regular checks, A checks, B checks, servicing, and minor replacement. Scheduled tasks based on manufacturer's maintenance schedule refer to routine maintenance activities that are planned and carried out at regular intervals depending on flight hours, calendar time, or number of flight cycles. These tasks are designed to keep the aircraft in safe and efficient operating condition, and it helps prevent unscheduled failures by maintaining aircraft system. Scheduled tasks based on manufacturer maintenance schedule are routine maintenance activities planned at specific intervals based on flight hours, calendar times, flight cycle to keep an aircraft on optimal condition. So next slide, please. So operational incidents documents minor technical events resolved on site, preserving operational continuity. These are records of minor technical events or issues that occur on aircraft operation and resolved immediately on site by maintenance personnel. And the daily and transit checks, record findings, rectification, and sign off during the short term scheduled inspections. And these refer to the short term routine inspection carried to ensure the aircraft remains safe and ready for operation. Daily checks are typically performed by 24 to 48 hours regardless of whether the aircraft has flown, while transit checks are conducted between flights, usually during quick turnarounds at airport. Scheduled maintenance event captures line A, B, C, and D check activities with task completion and discrepancy log. Scheduled maintenance referred to the documentation of routine maintenance activities performed at specific intervals based on manufacturer maintenance schedule. These events capture various check activities such as line checks and the more in-depth of A, B, C, and D check. So next reporter will be Mr. Agpangan.
So next is repetitive records. Documents frequently recurring maintenance tasks such as tire changes, oil filter replacement, help track components where and predict future maintenance needs, assist in optimizing maintenance planning and inventory control. The logs track recurring and cyclical inspection that need to be performed in specific intervals. Please next. So, repetitive records documenting recurring maintenance and inspections. Recurring task compliance ensures cyclical inspection and servicing actions are performed on prescribed intervals. So this means that uh, it needs to maintain in intervals. So next is service bulletin repetitions. Service bulletin repetition log recurring SB implementation record over an aircraft operational life. Next is defect monitoring track repetitive technical defects for trend analysis and operational risk mitigation. Next, please. So next is permanent records. Retained through the life of the aircraft include major structural repairs, engine swaps, avionic upgrades, STS. Provide proof of aircraft integrity for regular resale or transfer purpose. These are the long-term historical records that document significant changes, repairs, and certification through the aircraft's life. Permanent provides record provide proof of the aircraft's integrity and airworthiness. Next, please. Certificate of airworthiness, permanent proof of aircraft, regulatory airworthiness certification status, modification and repair histories, detailed records of structural system and avionics, alteration retained indefinitely, major incident and overhaul. Reports comprehensive documentation of major repairs, incidents, and complete system overhauls. Next, please. Comparison of the four technical records. Continuous records, complete operational and maintenance. For example, aircraft life logs, equipment, and history. Routine records, day-to-day operational maintenance records. Example, daily logs, system checks. Repetitive, reoccurring task records at predefined intervals. Example is 100-hour inspection, monthly safety test. Permanent records, records retained indefinitely for legal safety or operational reason. For example, is airworthiness certificates and modifications. And the next reporter is Fardo. Thank you.
So, aircraft logbook. So, what is aircraft maintenance logbook? It is a critical document that records the operational history of an aircraft, including maintenance, inspection, repairs performed. So, the aircraft maintenance logbook maintained by operators, pilots, and maintenance personnel, ensuring accurate, up-to-date records of the aircraft's operational history. And it is required by regulation to ensure that the aircraft's history is complete, accurate, and verifiable. And this documentation is essential for demonstrating compliance with aviation safety standards, and regulatory requirements. So, next slide, please. So, these are the types of aircraft logbooks. The airframe logbook is specialized record that documents all inspection, repairs, modification, and maintenance performed on aircraft structure and system. This includes detailed accounts of any structural work, such as fuselage, wings, landing gear, and other critical components. And the propeller logbook is a detailed record that tracks all maintenance, repairs, and inspection specific to the aircraft's propeller. If applicable, it includes information on propeller overhaul, blade replacement, balancing, and any modification to the propeller system. And the engine logbook is a critical document that tracks all inspection, overhaul, repair, removal, installation, and operational hours for each engine of the aircraft. It provides a detailed history of engine's performance and maintenance activities, ensuring all necessary procedures are followed to maintain airworthiness. And flight logbook, also known as technical log or journey log, records all essential details for each flight, including flight hours, number of landing, crew names, reported defects, and fuel and oil data. This logbook serves as the vital tool for tracking aircraft's operational history, identifying any issues that arise during flight, and ensuring all technical aspects of the flight are documented for future reference. So, next slide, please. So to sum up of all what we've said, the assurance makes sure that aircraft maintenance and its documentation meet the safety and legal requirement. Technical records and aircraft logbooks are important tools to keeping track of all maintenance and repairs, ensuring everything is done correctly and in line with regulation. By maintaining accurate and detailed record, it helps ensure that the aircraft operates safely, legally, and reliably, allowing for easy verification for its condition at any time. So that sums up for our report, quality assurance. Thank you for listening.
Aircraft is properly maintained, overseen, and inspected by our authorized personnel. And then second, syempre for the AD compliance from the word itself, AD, Airworthiness Directive. So galing to sa authority natin or FAA or EASA to syempre to monitor or track yung AD compliance natin, which ensures syempre yung required na modification inspection is completed within time frame. And then lastly, inline pa rin to sa airworthiness natin to support syempre yung maintenance planning to ensure yung maintenance activities are performed correctly and on schedule based on the maintenance forecast provided by the operator. Meron akong time na naka-apekto during my production, during my experience as a production planner wherein nagkaroon ng discrepancy doon sa missing discrepancy or missing entry. For example, if missing yung entry, if there is a open defects, meaning open defects is still not yet performed by the mechanic. So, ang tendency niyan, kasi sa aviation, we can't release yung aircraft with open defects unless otherwise na-raise niyo siya as deferred defects or na-rectify niyo siya. So, if wala yung entry na to, it can delay or the aircraft can be delayed or can lead to delayed maintenance. Okay, if this, first syempre, i-check muna natin yung record itself. After, syempre, check natin just for example, sabi nga natin, ba't ba nagkakaroon ng discrepancy or nagka-missing entry? Diba? Paano natin nalalaman yun? Na may discrepancy or missing entry, yung AML or yung record natin, we need to check first. Check if kung tama ba or accurate and kompleto ba yung records na nandun. Not only the aircraft logbook itself, but also yung mga task card natin or mga DFPs. DFPs meaning dirty fingerprints. So yung dirty fingerprints is yun yung complied task cards natin na meaning nun is nagawa na ni mechanic yung certain maintenance task dun sa aeroplano. So, we need first to check yung DFPs na yun or yung records na yun. So, meaning nun, i-ensure natin na accurate and complete yung information natin. And then, second, syempre yung monitoring. I-monitor natin lahat ng routine records. Meaning, kung may initial si production or si planning na maintenance records, we need to make sure na nagagawa lahat yun. So, records checking and monitoring siya. And then also, meron tayong tinatawag na mga maintenance forms. Or itong maintenance forms natin is, ito yung ginagamit. Actually, per customer or per operator or per AMO na yun is, or kung kayo yung under AMO or operator or AOC or operator certificate holder, meron kayong mga forms na ginagamit.